stand there all alone. Oh, I cannot explain what's going down. I can see you standing next to me. In and out, somewhere else right now. You sigh, look away.
Yay! Good job, Puppy.
You all suck.
Mommy, they're fresh.
We usually get strawberry banana smoothies, but they didn't have those. So we got mango what?
Mango pineapple.
Pineapple mango. And it's actually really good.
Get a drink. Okay, put it there.
2, 3.
Wait, what are you supposed to do? Oh. But I know she did not grab it like that.
She calls me day and night.
I got a lip oil.
We're gonna try them on together.
We are? I got a whatever she calls globby.
They're globbles.
Globby.
This one? And the other one? Wait, let's put them all together. Ma.
I also got a pink peach. Hello, darlings.
Hi.
Sorry for the background noise. I have the AC on. I have a lip gloss. Thank you. I have this. It's very pretty. Yes. Okay. Very pretty. I got lip oil.
You gotta put it on again.
Yes, I am.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto August Lane.
And then
I see you judging in the background. Very pretty. Give me your opinion on this if you want to know what this is so you can get it
At
yourself.
the light, turn
I
left
got
onto
it at
Orange Blossom Trail.
not sponsored. I got it at Q at the Florida Mall in Orlando. And it's 24K Magic Lip Oil. Very pretty. Are you laughing at me?
No, I'm laughing at your friend.
What friend?
That was so hypocrite.
That first laugh was fake. And then I saw. Can I see that again? I was too busy laughing.
You just don't make it feel right. I never meant to make you cry. You were right. Just leave me be. I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse than you check the time.
I got new earrings. They're butterfly earrings.
Feels like just tell me and die.
What do you think? Wait, it's not focused, but you can somewhat see. We did groceries, and now we're gonna put the groceries away.
Oh, this is not for our house.
Just in minutes.
Poppy's good.
Everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would.
Hello, everyone. I believe it is It is Tuesday. Right now I'm doing my hair because we are getting ready to go to AQUATICA. Super excited for that. We're gonna meet some family. I'm super excited to see them. Haven't seen them in literally forever. Wait, no, actually we saw them last spring break, but that was only for a little bit. That was literally nothing. Right now I'm doing my hair, as you can already see. I was able to wash it from last night, so it feels super smooth. Very happy about it. Super, guys, look how long my hair is. It's gotten so long. Do you see this? In the beginning of the year, I mean like last year, it was like right here, and now it's down here. That's a lot.
It's supposed to be a rainy day.
What?
Maybe not, so we'll see. We were planning to go to water park, so if it doesn't rain, that's where we're gonna go. Stay tuned, and we'll see you at the water park.
Hey, what is
Later.
that breakfast?
Katie, I'm sorry I said I didn't like you. Katie, you saved me. I'm sneaking me down too. Oh, come in.
Malta.
Tiene queso.
Feeling super fly, looking great around New York. I'm trying to be myself.
What are you doing?
Just recording myself.
Recording yourself.
Tired of waiting. Let's go.
Here's Gigi trying to open an Malta.
I opened it with the belt of my shorts.
How is it? Is it good?
Really good.
Oh, no. Good morning, guys. Here is Tuesday, day 3 of vacation. We're starting this all over. Here is Gigi, mommy. Hey guys, good morning. Everybody excited? Just be ready. We're planning to go to the water park.
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't rain. So, stay tuned, guys. Enjoy this video.
Dad said he misses you guys.
Guys,
Right here.
I gotta tell you something. I've been forced to do this for whatever reason.
Cap.
Hmm?
Cap. I didn't force you to do that.
Well, anyways,
To the squad room.
What are you doing?
what I'm doing. What I'm doing, guys. Anyways, that's how we run here. We are cuckoo, but funny.
Sometimes I have no. We're at AQUATICA. They have baby wheels.
Roll the clip.
It's so cute. Anyway, we're here at AQUATICA. It looks so cute.
Me too.
Can we talk about that?
This is, we're gonna be here for the whole day, so we're gonna have a lot of fun today. Me and Gina's gonna go on the ride, but Gina forgot her thing, so we can't record it.
Actually, I can because Dad's gonna get me a new one, or I could just borrow. I'll convince her.
You're convinced.
My manipulative little soul.
Gigi saw. Roll.
Wait, fit check, like, okay, like.
Okay, my turn. Wait, what's your shoe shorts? They're under there?
Yeah, hold on. My suit shorts are right here.
The outfit in general is just cute.
Thank
You're
you.
gonna get this
Advice. Don't ever get jeans. Denim.
Do not wear jeans.
Don't get your denim wet. It's disgusting.
It's so like bad.
Fit check. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Let's get the real good fit check.
Oh, dang. Right now, we are at the, oh, this is very pretty. Right now, we are at the water park. We have found our seats and whatever. Right now, we are waiting for Liz Mari and Danito and whoever else she comes with. This is very cute. Looks so cute right now. Super excited for today. It will rain after 5 though, so we have to enjoy while we can. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Come here! Come here!
We're getting food.
Jireh, ¿qué tú quieres?
Liz Mari. Dile hola. Esto es para mi YouTube.
Hi. I don't know what to say. We're eating. I got buffalo chicken cheese fries. Really good.
Perdona a todos los
A regular fries. And a chocolate chip.
Yo le digo a la mía.
Mommy! Liz Mari! Alright! We're currently leaving AQUATICA. It was super fun. I got myself a shark tooth necklace. We changed it to some more comfortable clothes.
And I got
You know, it was super fun. I got on a lot of water slides and stuff, but
Yeah,
I
those
didn't record any of
Yes.
them. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, because
I got white rice and codito and lechon.
Sometimes and provide to everyone
Amen.
me and G are matching.
You should get one back.
How will we carry it back?
Oh no.
Then I get
I feel like I'm getting it before.
That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one. Yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts. Yeah, yeah.
Stop, G.
I never know what to respond when someone says what's up. It's so awkward.
Why is awkward?
I don't know. How do you respond to what's up? Nothing much?
So it's day 4 actually. We're here. Let's see. Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Ooh. Well, I gotta tell you something, guys.
There's a look.
We
there's
are
a duck
here
right
because
there.
they wanted to get on
Look,
this
Val, look, there's a
big.
duck.
Yeah. Oh, a duck? Let's see.
That's a friendly duck. Look.
Woo! Duck, duck.
He's just chilling.
So I gotta tell you something,
I
guys.
want to see if it comes. Like, will it come at me?
They wanted to go on a big. Hey, it's gonna. They wanted to go there.
I need to see someone go on it first, see the speed and stuff,
But
and then I'll go on it.
they decide, guys, not to go. Little chickens. That's what I said.
I have the cojones. I just need to see someone else do it.
So we'll see if they decide later on. So stay tuned.
She does it. The card for the arcade. No le pongas acá.
So tell me where you love me. Take a moment to rewind. It's just something real. So with the world, baby. Please love, baby.
I didn't know what they wanted me to do.
I should be
Look, I didn't know I was gonna take her.
Great time.
I got third place. Leave me alone. Send it to me. The camera.
We're here at the go-kart. You ready, Gigi? Booyah! Let's see how if this girl knows how to drive with.
What'd you say?
Let's see if you know how to drive.
Going on go-kart! We're going on go-kart!
And I'm going by myself. Oh, wait. And Elena said the middle child always goes in line.
Elena and Dad are going. I'm going with Mom and Mia's going alone. We got Dippin' Dots. I love you guys so much that I broke the rules of no phones on the go-karts. That was super fun. Right now, we got Dippin' Dots. I got the chocolate. I got the cookie dough one. Would you like to tell the viewers about your experience going the go-kart to be here.
I'm never gonna experience it.
Why not?
Going with Gigi on the go-kart is a never again experience. I will not do it again. She's suicidal.
I think she's gonna get her license when she turns 30.
Probably.
I'm a good driver.
For the safety of humanity, she should not be licensed to drive.
That's so mean. We just got our sororitos. Going on a Ferris wheel. Last time I took a photo for a Ferris wheel, it looked horrible. My hair was so bad. I looked like I got electrocuted. We're about to get on a Ferris wheel, but it's so high up, so I'm a bit nervous. But I'm excited. We're in our capsule, and I'm super scared because there's like actually no seats, and we're just standing in. I'm super scared. I'm in the middle of panic. It's not scary at all. Look at it. Look, I'm just gonna run. Let's stop. Don't rush. Stop.
Do not run.
And it's like kind of in the middle. The sunset is like kind of going down. There's a pole right here. He's going into labor, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God, please, Lord, save us. Wait, we survived. We're not dead.
Well, we're doing a video, right? Oh, all to my fans. Hey fans, that's Gigi.
Your fingers in the camera.
She's alive, of course. So we went to this huge Ferris wheel, and she was like shaking. You.
I wasn't shaking, that was her.
Me, I was like,
You were like,
this one over here was good. So everybody survived. And Mamita, of course, she's the tough cookie of everybody. So we'll keep you updated and see you later.
Meow.
So excited. I've seen this all over like Instagram and stuff and like Pinterest, and I'm like, I need to try it.
But what are we doing?
We're getting trapped.
We have dragon bread. It's all the buttons, and now we're stuck in here forever. Thank you.
I did it! I pressed 5 because when we were going down the elevator, I had a 5 on it.
Yeah, but we're on floor 4.
Why was it fun?
Sort of, but you're gonna look like you peed your pants.
You just throw it in your hand.
We're at, what's this place called? We're at the food trucks, and I'm gonna order spicy wings because I'm feeling spicy today. Dad, don't. I'm gonna laugh so hard if you look like you peed your pants. Anyways, yeah. You need some content. You've been having me do all the content.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have.
After I get my corn, I'm gonna look for a place where they have empanadilla de pizza because I
And she's
freaking love
gonna
those.
get a Malta.
And Marta.
Yeah. Yeah, she's been drinking that lately.
We got some more at Walmart, so I get to the hotel and drink more. I got a Mexican buttered corn with tahini and stuff.
Mom,
very good. Stay tuned for episode 3. Also, go check out episode 1 if you haven't yet. I hope you guys enjoyed. Virtual hugs and kisses, and bye!